Hi, this is Thibault from the Seanapps team. I want to talk about the maintenance feature on your Seanapps mobile app. It's a great tool to keep track of everything you do about your boat. You can historize every maintenance or inspection you do. You can add invoices, a picture, and you can contact your dealer thanks to the Seanapps mobile app to schedule your next maintenance. So I'm gonna help you to find this feature. It's pretty easy. You're gonna go on the down right corner. You're gonna click on more. Here you have all your features. You're gonna click on maintenance. And when you click on maintenance, you can see the different things you can do from there. You have first the maintenance schedule. So I'm gonna click on show details. And on this part, you will see the maintenance that are overdue or the upcoming maintenance. So right now I have, you can see the generic black water tank maintenance, warranty, periodic maintenance. So everything I can simply check in the app, either mark them as done, or if they are not done yet, I can simply request the service to my dealer to make sure I am up to date with the maintenance and the inspection. Once, let's say I have done the maintenance, I take back my boat, well, the maintenance will be appearing in my service history, so I will keep a track of everything I have done on my boat. You can simply add also a new record. So let's say you have done like a maintenance on your own, or you have did, I don't know, like a painting or anything you have done on your boat. You can put the date of service, attach an invoice or a picture of what you did, make a short description, and when you click on save, it's going to be historized on the service records. So it's a great tool for you to keep track of everything you do on your boat. And let's say when you're gonna resell the boat, maybe to get another Beneteau, well, you will be able to show to the new owner that you have done everything to make sure that the boat was, you know, in good, like up to date, the maintenance or have been all done. And, you know, it's a great way to resell the boat as well. So don't hesitate to use this feature. It will, that way you will have everything in your pocket. And yeah, it's very simple to add a new maintenance. So I highly advise you to do so.